Welcome back. Today I have a restaurant website landing page template which is built using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is a fully responsive page. If you go to the mobile version of this page, you will find a drop-down menu bar with hamburger menu button. This drop-down menu looks quite boring. In this video, I will convert this drop-down menu to an attractive drop-down menu like this. Let's start. First, come to the HTML page. Here I am adding all the anchor inside UL and LI. Next, come to the CSS part of the desktop version. Here just add UL after the nav and add list style none. On the desktop version looks good like before, but the mobile version does not. Next, come to the media query part of the CSS. Here UL flex direction will be column and add the gap. Inside nav, add right -50px and top -50px. Then add width and height 0 with overflow hidden. Padding will be 0 too. Also add border radius 100% and z index as 40. On active, width will be 100px and height will be 150px. Here overflow will be visible. Also add padding. Inside before studio element, set the position absolute with content and border radius. Here add background color to gray and change the nav background color to orange. Also z index will be -1. Now add transition and transform with translate and rotate. On active, it will translate to 5% and -3%. Also rotate 10 degrees. To visible the hamburger menu, add position relative and z index higher than nav. Next, add transition delay on before studio element and active before studio element. Then add transition on the nav. And nav active. Here also need to be a transition delay. Initially, LI opacity will be 0 and translate 100%. On active, LI will be visible with translate 0. Next, add the transition delay on every nth child of LI. Finally, add transition delay on nav and nav active. Here is the final result. By the way, you can download this template at free of cost from webgraphics.com. Link in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.